Hello everyone, we are here today on the Disney Fantasy to do a full room tour of a Category 11A Standard Inside Stateroom. This room does sleep up to 4 adults but can be pretty tight.
Yeah, these are the smallest rooms on the ship, even slightly smaller than the deluxe inside staterooms. We do like this just for 2 people, especially the magical porthole that they have makes it not quite feel as claustrophobic as some inside staterooms do.
Let's go check it out.
As we come into the room here, over on our left-hand side, we have our closet space. The first part of the closet, we have a closet rod, some life vests up there above, and then we have our safe down below and a little bit of storage space for our luggage. There is another section of the closet here, a smaller piece that has just some more hanging space and storage space for luggage. There's also a ladder in here for that pull-down upper berth if you're utilizing that bunk here in the room, and some additional life jackets up top. Behind me we have the bathroom for this room, and it is just a single bathroom, not a split bathroom layout, because this is a standard inside stateroom, not a deluxe inside stateroom. So everything is here in one bathroom. We've got our tub shower combo. We've got a detachable shower head there, some refillable shampoo, conditioner, and body wash H2O products, and then the tub down below. Our shower curtain does have some little Mickey heads in there, as well as the decorative curtain over on the side there. And then we have our toilet in here as well, and a single vanity. Not a whole lot of counter space here, but you do have some liquid hand soap there, as well as some lotion on the little shelf here on the right. We've got a couple of those shelves on the right, as well as one on the other side of the mirror there. And there's also a little bit of storage space down below the sink here in this room. And then on the back of the door, we do have a full-length mirror for us here in the room. Now the sleeping areas in this room are kind of split in half. The first half is over here when we first come in. We've got our couch that does fold down into a twin size bed, and it folds right on top of the couch, so there's no additional floor space needed for that bed. And then we also have a pull down upper berth right up there that your stateroom host can assist you with if you need that, and that's of course where that ladder comes in that's in the closet. There's some artwork on the wall over here that has some different Disney characters made out of rope with some other nautical elements there. And then across from the couch, we have our desk area. There's some storage down below with some drawers right over here. They're pretty decent size, but the top one here is where you're going to find your hair dryer and a little mat for your curling irons and things like that. That hair dryer does have a 220 plug, and it plugs up right here on the desk. You can see there's a couple USB outlets next to that 220 and also a few additional wall outlets there. There's a small chair down below this where you have a little drawer, and it does have a little Mickey head on the drawer pull. And this is where you're going to find your stationery. You've got a couple postcards and things like that inside this drawer. And then the cabinet next to that is where you're going to find your mini fridge. This does not have a freezer section, but it is a decent sized little mini fridge there. You can fit quite a few drinks in there. We have our TV here in the room, and this does swivel, so if you want to face it towards the other side of the room, you can do that. Just pull it out and kind of spin it whichever way you want. And of course the mirror there, and some storage on the left and the right of that mirror. And then across the room here, the other half, which can be split with that curtain that you can see over on the right, we have our queen size bed. You do have storage space underneath. It is raised up so you can put your luggage under there. We've got a little bed runner down here that has some different nautical elements, including the Disney Cruise Line logo and also a Mickey Mouse there. And you can see above the bed we have a porthole, even though this is an inside stateroom. And that is actually a magic porthole. So it's a view of what we can see outside the ship, but we don't actually have a window, which means you can turn it off at night if you'd like to. One of the switches over here on the left does shut that off, so you can close the porthole if you want in the evenings. And if you keep a close eye on it throughout the day, you may occasionally see some of our Disney friends pop up on screen there. Over on the left, we have some artwork here with the different Disney Cruise Line ships. We've got the original 4, the Magic, Wonder, Dream, and Fantasy, as well as Steamboat Willie down there at the bottom. And then over here on the left, we have a small little nightstand with a phone and a little table right above the phone. There are no outlets on this side of the bed, though, because we have the phone there. There's also a lamp over here that has a map on the lampshade that shows the different locations of the Disney parks and cruise ships around the world. And there's some little Mickey heads cut out of the lampshade there. And on the other side of the bed, we have a very similar setup. And I will note that it is pretty tight getting between the couch and the bed and the wall over here where the curtain is. So just something to be aware of in this room with this layout. On this side, the only difference with the setup here is the fact that we have an outlet down here. We also have a 220 outlet down there, But other than that, everything on this side is the same. And that's going to conclude our tour of this Category 11A Standard Inside Stateroom here on the Disney Fantasy.
We hope you enjoyed that room tour. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up below and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.
And check out the channel for tons of other room tours. We've got all the different Disney Cruise Line ships and every resort at Walt Disney World and other Disney destinations around the world. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time,
We're here with the ears.